Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to review the Glutathione serum that improves skin tone, glow and radiance. So as you all can see my bottle and the dropper is broken because of its horrible quality. The dropper in this serum bottle is actually really bad. Anyway, so this comes in a quantity of 30 ml and it's priced at 1200 rupees. The expiry is in January 2022. Alright. I purchased this from Amazon.com. There are several other sites actually, but then again, आप इनके authentic होने का दावा नहीं दे सकते हैं. So you can purchase it from Click It Care and Flipkart, or even get it in your nearest medical stores. ओके सो कमिंग टू द मेन इंग्रेडिएंट ग्लूटाथियोन नाउ. तो जैसा कि आप लोगों ने सुना होगा कि स्किन लाइटनिंग में हेल्प करता है, बट एक्चुअली साइंटिस्ट ये अभी तक प्रूव नहीं कर पाए हैं. काफ़ी लोगों के ऊपर ये एडवर्स रिएक्शंस भी कर चुका है. कई लोगों की स्किन इसको यूज़ करके डार्क हो चुकी है, कई लोगों को इसको यूज़ करके इंटरनल हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स भी हुए हैं, और कई लोगों के भी अच्छे तरीके से काम किया है. बट एक्चुअली साइंटिस्ट के पास कि इन किसी भी बातों का प्रूफ नहीं है, कि वो ये नहीं प्रूव कर पा रहे कि ये डेंजरस है और ये हेल्पफुल है. तो इस इंग्रेडिएंट को अच्छी क्वांटिटी के साथ लैक्टिक एसिड और ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड के साथ इस बॉटल में मिलाया गया है, और ये मेन 3 इंग्रेडिएंट्स है इस सीरम के. सो दे हेल्प यू गिव दैट गुड ग्लो एंड इट्स ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ हेल्प यू कंट्रोल द पिगमेंटेशन ऑन योर स्किन. तो पैकेजिंग जैसे कि मैं बात कर रही थी is not good. I mean, the good part is that you get a dropper, but the dropper is very bad. Uh, it's all starting to break, and the dropper actually does not work very well for the drops to come out. Apart from that, yes, it is travel friendly. And okay, now coming to the ingredients. So the ingredients, there are all good ingredients over here. We'll start with, of course, glycolic acid and lactic acid copolymer. Then there's niacinamide and methyl lactate. Again, good ingredients to brighten up your skin and reduce pigmentation and acne scars. Then we also have xanthan gum, so which will help prevent the linoleic ascorbyl palmitates oxidation. This is a good ingredient in here. And we also have ammonium VP copolymer. So what this does is basically it gives you a good gel-like texture. And then we have ethyl hexyl glycerin. That is again very good. And we have benzyl alcohol. This is mentioned wrong over here. It's not benzoyl alcohol, it's benzyl alcohol. This is like a preservative and it's not harmful. So this is how the bottle comes. It comes with a golden color plastic cap right here, and the dropper comes separately inside this. This ensures that it's completely airtight and it's secure and it's hygienic. So the directions for use are, so it says first you have to rinse your face with a mild cleanser and pat dry. Take 5 to 6 drops of glutathione serum on your palm with the help of a dropper, and you have to dab it onto your skin. And you can use this twice a day, that is what it says. And daily use of sunscreen will help boost results, which is absolutely true. It will help boost results. Okay, so now we're going to talk about its consistency, and as I was telling earlier, the dropper does not do its job correctly. After 2-3 pumps, this much quantity has come out. So जैसा कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं, this is a very milky consistency, milkish white color, and it's not sticky at all, and it gets absorbed into the skin very quickly. It feels nice, supple, the skin feels hydrated. तो अगर हम बात करें कि इसकी यूसेज की, तो आप इसे नॉर्मली जैसे आप अपने फेस वॉश करने के बाद अपना टोनर और सीरम लगाते हैं और उसके ऊपर आप मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाते हैं, आप वैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. इसकी 3 ड्रॉप्स पूरे फेस के लिए सफिशेंट है, और आप इसको अंडर आइज़ के लिए भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Coming to my review about this product has worked very well for me. I can definitely see a glow in my skin. My texture is much more refined compared to how it was before. And ये स्किन को कि स्किन की पिगमेंटेशन हेल्प मिटाने में काफ़ी हद तक मदद करता है. बट देर इज़ वन थिंग दैट आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट एंड दैट इज़ पर्जिंग. ग्लूटॉन सीरम एक फॉर्म का इसके अंदर लैक्टिक एसिड और ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड है विच इज़ नथिंग बट योर AHAs. सो लैक्टिक एसिड एंड glycolic acid kind of help exfoliate your skin. So this will basically, it also has a form of ascorbyl palmitate. जो भी कोमेडोन्स आपकी स्किन के अंदर होंगे, वाइट हेड्स या ब्लैक हेड्स, वो स्लोली इसकी एप्लीकेशन जितने आप इंक्रीज़ करते जाएंगे उसके साथ वो कोमेडोन्स आपकी स्किन की सरफेस तक ऊपर आते जाएंगे, तो दे विल फॉर्म पिंपल सूनर और लेटर. इस चीज़ को पर्जिंग बोला जाता है. अब आप पर्जिंग भी समझ सकते हो उसे, या फिर आप नॉर्मल पिंपल्स भी बोल सकते हैं इसे, नॉर्मल ब्रेकआउट्स. तो आप कैसे पता लगा सकते हैं कि पर्जिंग हो रही है आपको, या फिर ये प्रोडक्ट आपके लिए एक्चुअली बैड है और आपको पिंपल्स दे रहा है. पर्जिंग आपको हमेशा उसी एरियाज़ में होगी जहाँ पर आपको नॉर्मली पिंपल्स आते हैं. वेरएस पिंपल्स, अगर आपके लिए ये प्रोडक्ट बुरा है, तो अगर आपकी स्किन को नहीं सूट करता, तो आपकी स्किन के ऊपर अलग अलग जगह पे पिंपल्स आएंगे आपको जहाँ पे आपको यूजुअली नहीं आते हैं. तो एक और तरीका जिससे आप पता लगा सकते हैं कि पर्जिंग हो रही है या नहीं, है कि पर्जिंग 1 महीने के अंदर एकदम क्लियर हो जाती है. अगर वो 1 महीने के अंदर क्लियर नहीं होती है तो वो पिंपल्स है और आपको ये प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करना बंद कर देना चाहिए. पर्जिंग कभी भी आपको किसी क्लेंजर या सनस्क्रीन या मॉइस्चराइज़र से नहीं होगी. So this is my experience, and yes, I definitely experienced purging with this product. I still have a couple of marks that I have after using this product, but they're slowly going away. So this is why I would suggest you all to focus on one, skincare problem at a time. To focus on only having one active ingredient in your skincare routine. Make sure that you guys have only with vitamin C or only AHA, BHAs, only retinols in your skincare routine. And this product, if you guys don't want any marks or want to wait for your skin to clear, I feel like you should focus on your skin right now with only a basic cleanser, a basic moisturizer, and a basic acne treatment, topical acne treatment. That's it. That's all that matters. That is all that is required. Once you have moved on from that stage, once your face is clear, is when you can try something like this for another particular concern that you have, that is either pigmentation or dark circles, or if you just want your dull skin to look brighter, then this is definitely the product for you. So please make sure that you're able to differentiate between purging and breaking out. I feel that this product, I will suggest it for all skin types. Even sensitive skin people can use this. I did not experience any kind of tingling or stinging sensation. And please do not forget to use a moisturizer after this. You have to use a sunscreen if you are using this in the daytime. Which is what I will recommend. If you're using other products like retinol, you can use retinol in the nighttime and this in the daytime, and you can use a sunscreen on top of it. Other topical treatments like salicylic acid, BHAs can be used with this, but then I would still recommend to have at least like 30 minutes gap between both. Please try your best not to layer too many products at a time, as this is going to really, be too harsh on your skin, layering too many products. So how about you keep the routine very simple? You can do a cleanser, a serum, and a moisturizer, and maybe if required you can use your topical acne treatments or any spot treatment. So if I had to compare this product with hydroquinone, I would say that hydroquinone and kojic acid are better and faster, pigment lighteners compared to glutathione serum, definitely. But then again, this is much more safer, and sometimes hydroquinone and kojic acid can react on other people's skin, and I feel like it should be only taken with a dermatologist's prescription. If your dermatologist suggests and prescribes you this hydroquinone or kojic acid, then only you must go ahead and try it, or else this is a pretty good buy. Talking about these key ingredients, the active ingredients on top. So as we can see, the Arsemia, I'm sorry, I do not know how to pronounce this, but this melazero ingredient right here, this helps in controlling the melanin pigment so that your cell does not produce too much of melanin. This inhibits tyrosinase, X50 pure white. And then there are other extracts like lemon peel extracts. We also have saxifraga extracts. These are all good ingredients. So yes, this definitely has fragrance. That's the only minus point I see here. Alright, so that's it for my reviews, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and please comment below to let me know if there are any other products that I can review for you all. Thank you.